Wow, Money Makers, this is the fifth day. I'm so proud of you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing to my channel. It really means the world. We're at Lightmaster, so you can join and give your opinions on this particular website. You can even earn, you can become an affiliate with their program. So it's really important that you give quality responses. So you can be testing different products and stuff like that as well. You can become an affiliate. So go ahead and click to apply for their affiliate program right here. And you want to put in your first name, last name, address, all that good stuff to apply, and then they will reach back out to you to see if you are a good fit. But that's really all I have for you guys for this particular one. Um, it's really not much to this. And these are just the frequently asked questions that, that anybody can really, you know, read and on their own. So it's really important that you do what you got to do. But other than that, have a great day, Money Maker.